Nandito kami ngayon sa Burnham Park and it's 4:26 in the morning and we feel the cold at this moment in time. So ayun o. So madilim pa guys. So ayan. So see you back later. Yan, so walk lang muna kami dito sa Burnham Park. Ayan guys. So ayan, hindi nyo nakikita guys. Meron smoke. Ayan, may lumalabas na usok sa aming mga bibig. Kung hindi nyo nakikita. So we're medyo ayan, haggard po tayo ngayong umaga. So dahil malamig, medyo nanginginig yung aking kamay kasi malamig po talaga. Ayan. So madilim pa po dito sa Burnham Park. At malamig din po. Ay, ang ganda niya, mapulang yun. Para kayo nasa ibang bansa. Sige, pedal mo! Diretso, diretso! Liko, 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 liko! Oops!
Ubus na 30 minutes natin.
Go!
Ayos ka, Kimi, ah. Ay, sulite, 50. Yan! Ang dami doon nakikita din. Ano? Ups, ups, ups! Wait, wait! May matitala, mabigla.
Di na, kaya nyo na yan. Para pag tumaob, ay di kayo lang. Ilang ka kayo? Hindi yung kasama, kayo-kayo lang.
Masyadong ilalim, ma'am. Ibabaw lang.
Babaw lang daw.
Huwag matagalin, ma'am.
So, ayun guys, we're here at Botanical Garden. Medyo malaki na yung pinagbago ng Botanical Garden before. It was, you can go here without, or you can go inside without any entrance fee, but now you have to pay 10 pesos for adult and 5 pesos for a kid. Okay? So yun po yung bagong update sa ating Botanical Garden. Meron na po siya ngayong entrance fee. Ayan, 10 piso para sa matanda, 5 piso para sa bata. So, ayun guys. Nandito na kami sa loob ng Botanical Garden. So, ayan o, kung makikita nyo. Maganda na ngayon dito sa loob ng Botanical Garden. So, ayan, meron na siyang parang entrance na pababa. Na may something glimmering na mga parang birds of paradise and buhok ni Eva. The buhok ni Eva is the one there in the beginning of this entrance. Okay, so ayan, and here we go. That's the entrance.
gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there.
So, yun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa aming tirahan dito sa Baguio with 3 rooms, and every room has 3 beds with capacity of 2 each. And so, ayan, this is the first room, and I will show you. This is the sala, and this is the second room. It also has 3 beds. And this is the third room. It also have 3 beds. Ayan. So, ngayon guys, naligo ako. Kasi I need to freshen up. Ang problema, ang sarap ng tubig, ang lamig. Hindi kasi kami marunong mag-on nung heater. That's why naman, paliligo is here is so very, very struggle. So, it's hard to take a bath or to refresh if you don't know how to on or use the heater. So guys, kapag tumira kayo sa mga patirahan, make sure operate nyo muna yung heater para pag kayo na yung naligo, hindi struggle yung paliligo kasi ang lamig ng tubig. Bye-bye! Ayan, while waiting here sa hotel, ayan, may sea of clouds po akong nakikita. Ayan siya guys. Kasi medyo natapos na yung pag-ulan. So, ayun guys, nandito ngayon kami sa Mines View. And then, yung Mines View before, wala pa siyang entrance, but now it has same as with the Botanical Garden, 10 pesos for the adult and 5 pesos for the kids for the entrance fee. So, ayan. So, eto, pumapasok na kami sa loob ng Botanic ng Mines View. Yan. So, ayun guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng Mines View for today's video. Ayan, so they're renting their Igorot outfit. So ayun guys, nandito ngayon kami sa view ng Mines View at nakikita nyo ang sea of clouds. Ayun guys, nandito na kami sa Mirador. And for today's video, nandito tayo sa Mirador Park. It is new tourist destination or the new tourist spot here at Baguio City. So ayan guys, makikita nyo ang purong ayan kawayan po ata yan or mga kawayan mo. So ayan na nga guys. So paakyat kami ng paakyat. Ayan. Ayan. Ayun sila nasa taas. So yun guys, nakakit na kami dito sa taas. And nandito kami kay Moses Ifugao House. So I don't know bakit tinawag siyang Moses Ifugao House. So ayan. So ayan na guys yung bell, the Mirador Peaceful Memorial. So ayan na yung bell, as you can see there's a bell. So nandito kami sa Mirador pa rin. As you can see the view and the opinion. Charot. Ayan, that's the view. Ayan guys. So we're here. Wait a minute. Hello! Ayan o. So, nandito kami sa may, as usual, nandito pa rin po kami sa Mirador. And as you can see, the views and the pool. Ayan, nakikita niyo po ang kabuuan ng kabahayan ng Baguio. Kasi, nandito kami sa tuktok. And I will expand my camera. So, ayan. With my pamangkin, ladies and gentlemen.
Ayun ang ulo.
Wala, nakapakot. Look how high are we now? So we're here at Dominican Hill and Retreat House. It was last 1915. So ayan yung loob niya, hindi pwede pasukin. So kaya dito lang.